Welcome back, my beauty squad. How you been? If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right here, and that you got this bell right here clicked all the way on. That way you get notified for any and every video I upload, because your girl uploads daily. Well, I'll slow down a little bit, so like every other day. Plus, I go live every Sunday and Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern time, and we have loads of fun there. We chit-chat, play with makeup, try out different items. I help each other by growing together, inspiring each other, and just throwing out some ideas to help with content. So if you're a new YouTuber or upcoming YouTuber, or just want to grow your channel or need some new fresh ideas, please join me over there. I love looking up new items, new things on this platform to help us all grow. And as always, I share it. So I hope to see y'all there. So today's video, we are doing a Viva Mexico look. I was so honored by SIRIA to be asked to this collab. I reached out to her a while back. I was like, girl, we need to collab again. I love my SIRIA. She's only been at this for 2 months, y'all. And she is so close to 800 already. And it's just mind-blowing. She is epic. So you do not know who she is. Make sure you go down in the description box and grab her up and go check her out. You will not be disappointed by no means. Also, just a quick reminder, I wanted to let everybody know that my baby shower will be September 20th at 8 p.m. Eastern time. And I hope to see y'all out here so I can show y'all all the little goodies that's been coming in the mail from all of my supporters and friends and family on here. And I can't wait to introduce y'all to our new bundle of joy coming soon. So with that being said, I want to show y'all what palette we're using.
You're so funny.
We are using the GLAMLITE palette. The paint palette is phenomenal. I have used this already. It was a gift from SIRIA to me a while back. This is what it looks like. I think of Bob Ross. My dad used to watch him all the time on Channel 4, like every morning. And so this is like so Bob Ross vibes. And so I'm just going to do a Mexican inspired flag eye look. So if y'all would like to see how I recreate that, please stay tuned. Y si eres nueva, ojalá te quedes y te cantes la cante que hago. Ya voy a estar pronto haciendo videos en español y en inglés por todos a mi familia, porque unos que no entienden inglés. Yo quiero que sientes bienvenida a mi canal también. So with that being said, I'll see y'all soon. Hey, my beauty squad and upcoming beauty squad members. So you decided to stick around. Thank you so much. So the way I want to do this video is I want to sit here and chit chat and do one eye on camera, go off and speed up the other eye, and then come back with it done. So we're not here 45-50 minutes, of course. I've been trying to figure out a good strategy to do my videos and, you know, include everybody's ideas in it and make it just very informational but fun to watch, where you're not sitting there for so long. So like I said, this is a collaboration with my girl SIRIA, and I have already filmed this once and I didn't like how the look turned out, so I will try to change it up just a little bit, but I've still included the green, the red, and the white in my eye look. But the way I want to do it now is I'm going to do the red all up here, white, and then green underneath, and see how that looks. So we're going to start off with the red. I did go ahead and set my eyes. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, and I just tapped it with a little bit of setting powder, just so I don't really like too much of the stickiness. I like to be able to move my eyeshadow around to wherever I need it to, because I'm still new at all this blended game and stuff like that. So I don't want to be stuck with it. Now, when I feel a little bit more comfortable with just applying and leaving it, then I might you know, like the sticky base. But until then, if you don't like something really sticky, just make sure you take some, you can take a base color, which this palette don't really have one, but you can take a base color out of a neutral palette and set it down to where it kind of matches your skin tone, or some loose setting powder works just as well. So, you know, I'm just taking out red. These don't have no special names. It's just red, white, green. Really quick and simple. And putting it up there. So now I want to cut my crease because I want that white to pop, like, in your face. Let me get me some concealer. I want to use something really light. I have this Becca concealer in the shade Linen. It's white. So I think that would be the best one. Most of mine ain't this white. But yeah, if you do not know who SIRIA is, please, 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 go check her out. I'll leave her link down in the description box. I am so, so proud of my sis. Like, she has been a big, big supporter of mine for a long time, guys. Like, a long time. Like, since the beginning. She always joins my lives. She's always commented on my videos. And me and her got really, really close. And so she has sent me some of her recreations of my eye looks and some of her phenomenal work. And I was like, girl, why don't you have a channel? Like, what are you waiting on? And she was like, no, I just don't have time. And I was like, that's not going to do. You don't have to upload every day. You need to let the world see what you're working with. Like, no, like, you've got to show this off. Yeah, I'm so proud of her. She's only been doing this a little over 2 months, or right at 2 months, and she's already close to 800. Like, that is mind-blowing to me. And it's all because of all of y'all, because y'all are phenomenal. And y'all go over and show her so much love and support. And she loves and supports everybody back. And that's what I absolutely love about her. Even before her channel, like, anybody that would come over to one of my lives or something, she was on it. Like, she was supporting them and watching them. I'm going to go in with this white one right here. Look how pretty. GLAMLITE has really pretty pigment. Like, really pretty shades. They just launched the Ice Cream palette, which is gorgeous. And I can't wait to get my hands on. It has all the little pastel colors that I like. Y'all know me. Which, yeah, we're coming into fall, so it kind of sucks with the timing, but it got pushed back, I was reading, because of how she made the outside box looks like an ice cream truck, and it's phenomenal. But it got pushed back because of that. And so it released a little later. She was like, I'd rather it release a little late and it's cool with the concept that I want. And I'll just use that green right here. I'll wig it up just a tad. A little bit more. You can actually see it. So pretty. Now, what I want to do to make this eye look even pop just a little bit more, I'm going to take my adhesive and some glitter in one of my liner brushes. This one I really like because it's like very pointy, very hard. It's not flimsy, so it's not going to go everywhere. I don't really like playing with glitter too much, guys, because glitter gets everywhere. But glitter is so pretty, and it makes a look go from 5 to 100, like, quick. Like, quick. Alright, so the way I want to do this, I want to hold the adhesive, stick my brush in there, get it right where I want it, kind of draw out my visible line. And I'm just lining around that white. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter. And then I want some glitter right there. Now, I put that down, and I have put some glitter in my cap. This is what it looks like. A little goes a long ways, just saying. You do not need a lot, so be careful whatever you go in. You're not putting too much, because you can always add more, and it's just hard to put back in the bottle afterwards. And if you're like me, you don't want to waste nothing, so. Sorry if you hear my youngins and Mr. Mario in the background. They underestimate how loud they are. But look, it breaks that look like 2 times better. Glitter is a girl's best friend. It's like diamonds. Can't go wrong with either one of them. Look how pretty. Okay, so I want to stop it here. Go and speed up this part. So you'll be able to listen to some music, and I will recreate this over here. And then we'll come together. We'll come back on here and finish up the look. I'm back. Yay. Sorry, my daughter loves to interrupt me whenever I'm filming. As y'all can tell, most of y'all already know Miss Sophia. She literally comes in here to talk about something. I want some cotton candy. Okay, you don't see me busy, child. Like, are you, really? Is this what we're doing right now? Telling you. My kids are a trip. Alright, I just want to put some, let's do some white. I don't think I have a green. A green would be pretty. But it's okay, we can use white. We can improvise. But yeah, this is my look. Viva Mexico! But y'all leave me down below in the comments. Let me know what y'all think of me doing a couple of Spanish videos. Like, mind you, I'm not Spanish, but I've been speaking Spanish for 18 years. And I learned it from listening. I didn't go to class or nothing with it. I know I still need some improvement, but for the basic, I know. But I would like to do some unboxings of Spanish. I might maybe do one in Spanish and one in English. I don't know. I'm trying to spice up my channel a little bit. I've been in a little standstill, and I don't like being at a standstill. I like seeing it go up, 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 up. And like, it ain't gotta fly up, but at least 1 or 2 a week. Not like stuck. You know what I mean? Now, I would love to recreate my lips the same way as my eyes. So let's do that. I think it'd be cool. And you can just use eyeshadow. Because I don't have no green lipstick. I have white lipstick. And I think I have red. I don't know. Most of my reds I gave away. Because I don't wear red. And there's no point in me keeping it if I'm not going to use it. Sorry, I'm looking at my camera. I'm so glad this white is a shimmer. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Kids are being a little too extra out there. Red. And I'm trying my hardest to use brushes that this ain't gonna dye, which her colors usually come off pretty good in my brushes and on my eyes, so they don't really stain that much. Thank goodness, right? Because they're vibrant. They're vibrant. But yeah. Viva Mexico. I love this palette, first of all. Thank you, SIRIA, so much for doing this for me. I hate when my bronzer is like a little dark on my areas. I absolutely had so much fun recreating this, and I absolutely love collabing with you. I adore you. You're just amazing. I couldn't be here without you, for sure. You inspire me and uplift me all the time. Oops. But make sure y'all go over and check her out, like I said. And if you're coming from her channel, welcome. Thank you so much. Welcome to the Beauty Squad. I hope y'all enjoy my content, and any ideas, any fresh ideas y'all want, any brands y'all would like me to try out, please do not be shy. Leave a comment down below, or you can hit me up over on Instagram or even email me. Both of them are down in the description box. jv011018@gmail.com is my email, and then MakeupWithJessicaVargas is my IG. Really, really simple to find. So I hope to see y'all all there. And just leave something, anything y'all would like, any kind of content y'all would like to see, any brands y'all would like me to try in the future. This is my eye look. I hope you like it, SIRIA. I can only imagine how epic yours is going to be. So I got a big shoe to fill whenever I'm doing collabs with her, because she is just phenomenal and she is just such an artist. But I love y'all, and until the next one.